Hey YouTubers, I just wanted to shoot you this quick video just to talk to you a little bit about Dave Rule's Anabolic Cooking and just to give you my experiences and how I found this book and this course. So what it is, it's a cookbook designed for people who want to build lean muscle and who want to put on weight and put on strength. Now I've been looking for something like this for a long time. I've done a lot of training over the past few years, and really I was looking for an alternative from just eating chicken and rice, chicken and broccoli, chicken and pasta. You know what I'm saying. I was just getting sick of the kind of strict bodybuilding diet, and I was looking, was there something a little different out there that would be tasty, healthy, and that would help me achieve my goals. So I was on Vince Del Monte's mailing list, and he was speaking about Dave one day, so I checked out his blog, and then I came along to this page. So this is the sales page where I bought the ebook from first day. So I'll just give you a look of it here. He gives a lot of information about the kind of stuff that he shows you how to cook and how to bake. As you can see, it all looks pretty good. And this was like the pretty old boring diet that a lot of people would be eating. And he shows you how to really bake anything, and it's all pretty easy. I wouldn't be the greatest cook in the kitchen, but after a couple of days, a couple of weeks, I got pretty good at the cooking, and I wouldn't really go back to what I was doing before. I found it great. Now, he's got a lot of kind of before and after shots down here, so you can read all them if you want. And then he kind of gives you examples of the kind of things he shows you how to cook. So as you can see, there's well over 100 recipes here, and it covers everything from breakfast stuff to how to cook your chicken, your meat, your fish, your salads, all the way down to dessert stuff. But the beauty of it is that you can design a plan based around your specific goals. So if you're somebody that wants to get lean, he has meal plans of maybe 3,000 calories a day. If you want to bulk up, he's got stuff for 5,000 calories. So you can really get a unique plan designed for you and for your own goals. So I'd recommend you check out this page. There's a lot of good information on it, and he kind of shows you exactly what you get in the cookbook. Now, so that's generally it. Now, and there's the price if you want to get it. It's $47. Now, I just want to show you it myself because this is my own copy of it. Here it is, so you can actually see I use this thing. I have to say it is really, really good. In the last 6 months I put on about 40 pounds, of lean muscle. Now, thinking I was coming from a point where I found it very hard to gain weight. I was training a lot, but I obviously wasn't eating enough of the right foods. So I got onto the anabolic cooking, and I started reading Dave's blog, and really I just started eating the kind of foods he recommends in the cookbook. Some of them I cook them exactly as he describes. As you can see, he's a load of different breakfast stuff, chicken and poultry, and all the rest of it. Other stuff then I put my own twist in it, but really it really does take the guesswork out of eating, because when you're trying to build muscle and gain weight, everybody says it's 80% nutrition. So you can rock it as hard as you like in the gym, but if you aren't putting in the raw materials to refuel your body and to feed your recovery, you're really not going to achieve your goals as fast or as quickly as you'd like. That's what I really like about this book, because it takes all the guesswork out of it. Now, what I'd just like to show you is just a little bit inside the book. So this is my own copy of anabolic cooking here. So you get the quick start report, which really just gives you a great foundation about what's going on and what you're going to achieve. That's the main PDF I was just showing you there. Now he includes a lot of really cool stuff, just a couple of ebooks there about supplements, what supplements you should be taking, and all those to avoid. Because I know when I started training first, I thought all I had to do was drink a protein shake and take a bunch of supplements, and I would gain weight, I would get strong. It really doesn't work like that, and so I really recommend you check out this book. Now he's got food and training logs in here, so he gives you a lot of kind of printable worksheets and stuff like that you can take with you to the gym and keep account of what you're eating, how you're training. So they're really handy. I recommend you check them out. But what I really love about this whole system is the meal plans. So if you want a lean muscle gains meal plan, you go in here, and if you want to lose fat and get shredded up, you can go in here. Now, as you can see, I hope you can see this, he's got 1200 calorie meal plans all the way up to 3000 calories. So if you're after bulking up and you want to get slim, you want to get into that fitness model physique, you obviously need to trim down. So you need to tailor your diet. You won't have the same diet as when you're bulking up as when you're cutting down. So he gives you brilliant examples here of what you can do. So again, as you can see, he gives you the exact sort of foods, how to cook them, the pages that they're on in the main ebook, and the amount of, can you see this, the amount of protein, carbs and fat and calories in each serving. So you know exactly what you're getting in each day. It's really, really good actually. I really enjoy that. And just to go back to it, if you're bulking up, you can just go in here. So if you're a lean guy, you might need a lot of calories. You could be looking at 4,000, 3,500 a day. Say if you're a really, really hard gainer, you're looking at 4,000 calories a day. You just don't know how to eat that much. Again, you can go exactly in here. He shows you for the morning, you're going to have the Reese's style oatmeal on page 21. 618 calories. Boom. For a snack, high protein granola bar, he shows you how to make them yourself. Save a lot of money. 433 calories. All the way down. Look at this, a shrimp and avocado salad, nearly 800 calories. So as you can see, he kind of backs up what he teaches in the ebook. He just doesn't sell you a cookbook and leaves you hanging. There really is an awful lot of material here. So I just wanted to shoot you this quick video. I've used it, I continue to use it, and I continue to get great results with it. So that's my review, guys, of the Muscle Cook Dave Rules Anabolic Cooking. So just click the link below this video and it'll take you straight through, and you can find out more information about how you can get your hands on your very own copy. So thanks for watching, and I hope to speak to you soon.